What's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok search not working. So first of all, get logged into your TikTok account, tap onto your profile, then select this three bar icon, select settings and privacy. Now in here you will see cache and mobile, select free up space. Now select clear and clear the cache from here. If you would like, you can also clear the downloads, but you may want to keep it because it will wipe out all the downloads that you have did till date. So next step, head over to your Play Store and let's go ahead and make sure that our TikTok application is updated. So search for TikTok. If you see TikTok showing update, you're going to have to select update and update your app. In my case, it shows open, so that means my application is updated. Now you're going to have to restart your device. Make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Launch your TikTok, try again, and it will fix your problem. Thank you for watching.